Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you could delete devices that are logged into your TikTok account. So let's just say that maybe you have an old iPhone that you maybe sold and you forgot to delete your TikTok account off of there. So I'll show you how you could delete those devices off of the TikTok app very easily. Now, head over to your profile. You can see I'm currently on it. This is actually like my bot account that I use, but head over to the top right hand corner, three lines, and then click settings and privacy. Now here, click security and permissions and click on manage devices. Now, I've already cleared up the devices that are on my account, but where it says other devices you've logged in on, there should be the devices listed here. Now there's going to be a little trash can. You don't see it right now because I already deleted them, but click the trash can if you want to log it out and then click remove device, and that'll go ahead and remove the device from your TikTok account. So you are set and ready. So that's how you remove devices from your TikTok account. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did find it helpful, well, just smash that like button, comment down below it helped you, and I will see you all for the